YouTube, it's me again. Just wanted to show you some of the PPE, I guess, personal protective entertainment gear. I don't know. I don't know. I even have this one here. This is an old Survive Air one. I've used this for sandblasting, so I could see. But I have the protective. I have the protective stick-ons, so it hasn't got scratched very much. It's in really good shape. These are expensive. Getting the cartridges are a pain in the ass because not everybody sells them, so I don't use it very often except for sandblasting. This is one of the first ones I ever got. Same thing. Screw-on cartridges are not easy to get these days because I think everybody now uses the 3M little clickety-click thing. These are newer cartridges that fit on here. There's these ones, square ones, little like Dumble floppy pink ear ones. They come off easy, they go on easy. They're like $7 a pair. These things work really great. There's probably 20,000 people reviewing them on YouTube. Everybody I see on YouTube has a set of these. They're rated for construction work. I think the N95 masks are the same damn thing. Only difference is the N95 mask doesn't have an exhalation hole. It goes in and out. This one I just picked up. It's a Miller. You can see the little thingamabobber here. It is really, really low profile. There's no little, it's smaller. The little ears don't stick out. I don't think it's about the same height to fit under a welding mask, but I don't know. It's probably a little better because it's not as small. This would not fit under my welding mask, and surely the other one. Mind you, I don't sit there under the smoke. I try to put at least a fan or something in my way. But I just thought I'd show you. It's a pretty cool. Some I picked up. They're $30. The filters are $7 each. I gotta get some more because apparently nowadays with this stupid thing going on, finding this, or any of this, or finding any filters whatsoever is like pulling teeth because everybody's like running around buying them. So mind you, the 3M filters have slowly coming back. These are really good masks. They're really not too expensive, and when I do spray cans in my garage and I use this thing, I can't smell anything. I was painting what I was painting? I painted some metal bars in here one night, and I couldn't smell a damn thing until I took it off and went, whoa, there's a lot of paint, and I opened up the door. But it's good for sparks, good for, not sparks, grinding dust, you name it. Most people should know all this. So just thought I'd show you my little collection. I'm trying to find, I might have to either try to find a place that sells new straps, because this one's still good. The rubber's in good shape. It's not hardened. It's still flexible. I can still get, you can still get these things, the little screw-on, what do you call it, cartridges, but they're just a pain in the butt to get. I don't see them anywhere. So, but when I do see them, I pick them up. I always buy multiples. So yeah, you can also, you can adjust this upward or downward, whichever which way you want. This way or this way. Still good. This one's good for welding. I have a couple of these. And the other one I just use. The other big one I showed you is used for sandblasting. So anyway, that's it. That's my first video.